2nd October 2021 marked the 152nd birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, also known as the Father of the Nation. Amid the ongoing pandemic, this special day was celebrated virtually by the NCC Girl Cadets of APS BD Badi of 2nd JNK Girls Battalion NCC Jammu to honor the legendary leader without whom India would not have got independence from the Britishers. The NCC Girl Cadets participated enthusiastically in the Gandhi Jayanti event celebrations. The NCC cadets paid homage to Gandhiji by making thoughtful posters on his life, writing eye-catchy slogans, delivering short speeches on the significance of the day, and maintaining cleanliness in and around their houses. Inspired with Gandhian values and thoughts, they also vowed to become better citizens. This celebration was conducted under the patronage and guidance of Mrs. Neeta Rawal, Principal of APS BD Badi. She motivated the cadets, students, and teachers to follow the footsteps of the Father of the Nation and to be self-reliant like him. She also encouraged them to spread the crusade of cleanliness. On the eve of Gandhi Jayanti, the NCC Girl Cadets also took Swachh Bharat Pledge, a massive mass movement that seeks to create a clean India. Cleanliness was very close to Mahatma Gandhi's heart. And when we are celebrating his 152nd birth anniversary, a clean India is the best tribute we can pay to Bapuji. Keeping this in view, the NCC Girl Cadets took up the agenda of cleaning their houses and the streets around their houses. The pictures and videos of the various activities performed by the cadets were shared on social media by the cadets and ANO to mark the significance of the day. The Girl Cadets and ANO also got e-certificate for participating in the pledge-taking activity organized by MyGov app. Cadet Palak and Cadet Lakshmi paid tributes to Gandhiji by chanting Mahatma Gandhi's favorite bhajans Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram and Vaishnava Janato to spread the message of peace and harmony. So happy Gandhi Jayanti to all of you.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। पर दुखे उपकार करे तो ये मन वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम भज मन प्यारी सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम भज मन प्यारे सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम।
A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way. Yes, I am talking about the great personality who had played a major role in providing our country independence. Yes, I am talking about our most respected Mahatma Gandhi. A warm good morning to all of you. I am Cadet Komal of class 9B is going to speak few lines on Mahatma Gandhi, a boy born on 2nd of October 1869 in Porbandar, a small village in Gujarat, had went to become the highest and the biggest patriotic of India. He has been inspiration for all of us. Yes, he is none other than the Mahatma Gandhi or father of our nation. His real name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and his father's name was Karamchand Gandhi. His mother's name was Putli Bai. He had a great interest in his studies during his childhood. When he was 13 years old, he was married to 14 years old girl Kastubai Kapodia. After completing his matric, he went to London for his higher studies. He started his career as a lawyer. He went to South Africa for more practice. There he found a lot of problems in his life. Many times he was insulted and tortured by white Englishmen because he was black in color. All these had a great deep impact on Mahatma Gandhi. When he came back to India, he led freedom struggle and led various movements such as non-cooperation movement, Quit India movement, Salt Law, and many such laws. As everything has an ending, Mahatma Gandhi on 30 January 1948 was assassinated by Nathuram Godse. That day we lost our lovable Bapu. I salute to such an personality or great leader who had played a major role in providing our country independence. Thank you.
Jai Hind, I am Cadet Isha Sharma. Greetings to all my teachers and friends. We are celebrating the birth anniversary of one of the greatest leader of India freedom struggle, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi ji was born on 2nd of October 1869. People fondly call him Bapu. He is known for his non-violent ways to fight for independence. On this day, people offer prayer tribute not only in India but across the world. The greatest tribute we could give our great leader is to practice non-violence and to love every human irrespective of caste and creed. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Jai Hind, I'm Cadet Anahita Verma and today I'm going to speak some lines on Gandhi Jayanti. As we all know that Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October to mark the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. This day is also known as the International Day for Non-Violence and Peace across the nation. We celebrate this day every year as India's one of the national festivals. On this day, we pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi in his memorial at Rajghat in Delhi. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as the father of the nation as he led India's national movement along with other leaders against British rule in India. To celebrate his contribution to the nation, we celebrate 2nd October every year as a national holiday. Thank you and have a nice day.
Jai Hind, I'm Cadet Anika Verma and today I'm going to speak few lines on Gandhi Jayanti. On 2nd October, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti every year. It is a non-violence day in India. We celebrate this day as the National Festival of India. We pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi in his memorial at Rajghat, Delhi. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as the father of nation because he led India's freedom movement with many other leaders against British rule. And we celebrate 2nd October every year as a national day in India. Thank you.